So now, what we can now do is, let's start with the mean. Let's start with the mean. So here, what we want to do is to compute the mean for this class exam. Okay. Again, we say that the mean is also called the average. It's also called the average. So what is the mean? The mean, how do you compute the mean? The mean is the sum of the scores. Okay, we have student scores. There are 8 students, so sum of the scores, the total sum of the scores divided by the frequency, the sum of the frequencies. Okay, the frequency sum. Okay, if you can allow me to do that. All right, so what that means is that we're going to see that there are 4 students. Okay, there are 4 students who got 8 points. So we can easily say that the sum of the scores will be 8 times 4, because there are 4 students who got 8 points on that exam, plus 5 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students who got 12 on that exam, so times 5, plus 3 students who got 15 points, times 15, and so on and so forth, plus 2 students who got 18 points, plus 1 student who got 20 points. Okay, now we divide all of that by the sum of frequencies, which will be 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is all of this gives us the mean, or the average. Okay, let's do further simplification here. Now when you do the calculation for the numerator, so the mean, again, let's call that the mean. So when you do the calculation for the numerator, what do you get? Okay, let me change my ink color. You will get 193. It's 193 divided by 15. 193 divided by 15. Okay, so 193 divided by 15 is 12.87. Therefore, the mean, or the average score on that exam, is 12.87 points. Okay, so pretty straightforward, very, very easy. Well, of course, though it is easy, we still have to be very careful with our calculations to ensure that we don't mix numbers up. Okay, because it's very, very easy. All right, but the method, step by step, if you go through it, we'll get to the right answer. All right, so we've done the mean. Now let's take a look at the next item, which is the median. Let's go. All right, so in the case of a median, there are 2 ways that we're going to find the value. Okay, we're going to look at 2 different ways. There is a manual process, and then there is a way whereby we can use a formula to do the median. All right, so let's start with the manual piece. So in doing the manual effort, first thing, we need to start by ordering the scores. So as you can see, I've already done that here. There are 4 people that got 8 points, 5 people that got 12, and so on and so forth. 1 person who got 20 on that exam. All right, all we now need to do, again, remember, what's the median? Median is the middle number. It's that middle number. All right, it's the middle number. That's what we're looking for now. All right, so in order to find the middle number, here is a trick. You cross out one letter here, one number here, you cross out another number. You cross out a number here, you cross out another number here. You cross this out, you cross this out. You cross this, you cross this. So one by one, you eliminate a number. Okay, you eliminate a number until you get to the middle. As you can see, there is only one number that is left, and this is our middle number. And in fact, This is how we'll also tell if this is the middle number. If we count the number to the left of this 12, it should be the same number as you will have on the right hand side. Let's try that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 numbers over here. There are 7 numbers over here. How many numbers do we have on this other side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, we have 7 numbers. Therefore, on the left of the median number and the right, there are equal numbers of equal count of numbers that are standing there. If you understand what I mean. All right. So that is one way of doing counting the median. All right. The next method is using a formula, and there is a very neat formula that we can use, and that formula says the median, the position of the median, is going to be n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2. What is n? N